a high-altitude world of great and fragile mountains, where people live on the edge of change, in awe and fear of a landscape that could come crashing down. For centuries, cultures have lived and worshipped with the tremors beneath their feet.
Around, I can see a white air.
Tremors that tear apart the Himalayas, while rivers wash the debris away, across a plate through the densest population in the world, into an ocean and out of the mouths of volcanoes. While cities grow and scientists try to predict the timing of the next big event. In the collision zone.